Hello, my name is Daily and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about Dox, the 57th project on the Binance Launchpool. This news came as a huge surprise to me because I would never think that Binance would launch 2 consecutive launch pads at times like this, especially when they just had another Ton coin, which is like a Ton network coin, right? And now they're launching Dox, another coins on the Ton network. It seems like Binance really like Ton. And so today we're going to be talking about what Dox is, its purposes, its visions, its achievements, how to participate in the Binance Launchpool, and as always, predict the price of Dox after being launched on Binance. Welcome to Coinwire. Alright, before we start, make sure to follow Coinwire on X and also join our free Telegram trading signal group, link in the description and comments. So first, what is Dox? So Dox is a meme coin born within the Telegram community. It is designed to leverage Telegram's vast user base and native meme culture, centered around a beloved dog mascot originally drawn by Telegram founders. Dox aimed to introduce millions of people to blockchain through the app and tokenized stickers, fostering a fun and engaging ecosystem with a focus on community ownership and fair rewards distribution. If you don't know what Dox or what it is based on, this is Pavel Durov, the founder of Telegram. He recently drew this picture of Spotty, and so Dox just took this image as their profile pic, and there we go, Dox was born. So the initial distribution of the Dox token was very simple, right? It was based on users' Telegram account age, wallet reputation, and other criteria that verify the users. This is very different from the other Telegram minigames or applications that we see, where they ask us to do a lot of social tasks, for example, or play their minigames, for example, to get the rewards, or like refer people, right? But Dox, initially, they just gave us free token based on our Telegram age, and also if you have like premium subscription, you will have more tokens as well. As at August 20th, 2024, the total supply of Dox is 550 billion tokens, and the circulating supply upon listing will be 516,750,000,000 tokens, about 93.95% of the token supply. Please note that the 93.95% circulation upon listing does not mean that all of the tokens will enter trading immediately. There is uncertainty about the time when tokens enter into secondary market. I want to add a few information regarding the achievements of Dox. And so this is an article that BSC Daily did on Binance Square, so you want to check it out, links in the comments. So there are 2 major achievements from Dox that I want to name. First of all is extensive user network. With over 50 million users, Dox has gained immense popularity due to its seamless integration with Telegram. It offers easy to use features and rewards users for their engagement. Basically do some tasks, right? Social tasks. There are currently 42.2 million eligible users out of 53 million users for the upcoming massive airdrop of 400 billion tokens. And the second achievement is widespread adoption. So Dox is set to be listed on all major exchanges on August 26th. In fact, they actually delayed their listing from, I believe, initially August 20th to August 23rd. And then, the Binance Launchpad news came out. They had to delay it one more time to August 26th, including all the tier 1 exchanges such as Binance, Bybit, and OKX. This further highlights the significant influence and reach of the Dox community. Now, this information actually gives us more details of a deeper meaning than what it actually is. Like, hey, it got listed on Binance. But the thing is, if a project want to be listed on Binance, there are extensive due diligence, right? They got to talk with the founder, CEO, and whatever, right? So basically, Binance did an extensive research about Dox before allowing them to be on the launch pool. And so I think that Dox team is not like just anybody, like some average Joe, all right, or D-Chan creating this project. No, they have to be backed by someone major, right? By someone powerful and someone that has maybe prior experience of having projects launched on the Binance Launchpool. Maybe someone had with reputation, for example, big ecosystem. And so it could be anyone, right? But in this case, I think, and this is my pure speculation, Dox community or the people behind Dox might have something to do with the people behind the Notcoin or even Ton Network or even Telegram. Now that, again, just pure speculation. Now that you know how big Dox is, let's talk about the Binance Launchpool and how you can join this wonderful program. These are some of the basic details that you need to know. So first of all, the Launchpool token rewards, it's 22 billion Dox, about 4% of the total token supply. This number is quite average. If you look at the Notcoin launch pool, I believe they spent 3% only for Binance, but for Dogs, it's like 4%. The initial circulating supply when listed on Binance is 516,750,000,000 tokens. That's a lot of numbers, about 93.95% of token supply. The hourly hard cap per user, 25 million, about 26 million dogs in a BNB pool, and about 4.5 million dogs in the FDUSD pool. Now, these numbers you don't need to care too much because, again, this is for the whales, right, who has hundreds or maybe dozens of millions of dollars staked in this pool. So Binance has to have like a hard cap per hour, so that they don't suck up all of the tokens. But for us, shrimps, I mean, we're never gonna reach the hard cap anyway. There are two supported pools as always: the BNB or the FDUSD pool. For the BNB pool, 85% of the total 22 billion dogs will be allocated, and for the FDUSD, 15% of the 22 billions will be allocated. So by the time of making this video, the Dogs launch pool has been going on for 2 days. The total duration is only about 3 days, which is relatively quick. But you still have time, about 1 day left to participate in the pool. Just pick your respective pool that you like. It could be BNB or FDUSD. My suggestions is just if you have BNB already, then just stick it in the BNB pool. If you don't have BNB, and if you only have like stable coins like USDT, USDC, maybe swap it to FDUSD and put it in this pool. You don't want to buy BNB right now because again the launch pool is very hype. It might drive the price of BNB up, and so you might be buying at the top, and right after the launch pool finishes, that BNB is going to be dropping about 5-10%. So you don't want that to happen. All right, so just choose the pool that you already have your asset. So very simple. Go to the more, click on the launch pool if you are using like a web version, right? And you should see the launch pool here, or you can go to the link in the comments, right? So you support us basically. If you are using your phone, again, just click on the more. There should be a launch pool there. There is not a lot to say about Dogs besides the fact that it's very like heavily community oriented. They spend 93.5% of the total supply to the community, right? And so Dogs is a great project and demonstrating a commitment to the community and also decentralization. Here comes the final part, the price prediction, the most important one as well. Right now, on some pre-market, for example, you can check out OKX or you can check out KuCoin. You can also check out BitGet. The pre-market price is around $0.002 to $0.003, right? Equivalent to $1.1 to $1.6 billion in market cap. Similar to Notcoin, Dogs is a highly successful Telegram meme coin with a large community, right? So Dogs could potentially reach an all-time high price of around $0.005. This would enable it to reach a market cap of $3 billion, comparable to Notcoin's success. Subsequently, Dogs' market cap might fluctuate near the $1 billion mark, corresponding to a price of approximately 0.002. Now, what I think personally is that 0.005 is quite a high number, I think, especially in this market. I know that, the Fed just came out with an update. It's time for us to change the policy or adjust the policy. It's very bullish news. It means that the Fed is finally ready to lower the interest, right? Which is a fantastic news. However, I don't think that Dogs can reach like about $3 billion in market cap. It's quite high to me for some reason, because again, Telegram is an amazing network. However, they already have, the Notcoin, which already is the biggest coin on Telegram, right? And the Notcoin, they reached 2.7, I believe, billion dollars in market cap. And so I don't think that DOS can take over the Notcoin, the biggest project. I think that it can be around 1.5 to $2 billion in market cap. That's like my speculation. And so the all-time high price of DOGS to me personally is around 0.003 to 0.004, around that. And then right after it got listed on Binance, depending on the market, the price can go down to about 0.002, or, in worst case scenarios, could even going down to as low as 0.001, maybe 1618. The reason why I think DOGS can reach like $2 billion in market cap, and then BSC Daily researchers, they think that it can reach even $3 billion in market cap. I think it depends on the fact that, DOGS is right now the only DOGS meme coin in the TON network. And if you look at the entire memes market, right, every blockchain, every layer 1s or even layer 2s, they all have some sort of a DOGS themed meme coins, right? So on Binance Smart Chain, we have Dogecoin. On Ethereum, we have Shiba Inu. Solana, we have Doc, we have Bonk. We also have Floki. On Base, we have Bread, and then we have Popcat, another like cat meme. And so what I'm trying to say is like all of the leading meme coins right now in the market, besides PayPay, they're all Doc themed, all right? And then on Telegram, we don't have any Doc themed meme coin yet. We only have the Notcoin. But like at this point, Notcoin not really can be considered as a meme coin. They are like a community coin, right? And so, Docs being the first meme coin ever on Telegram, being on Binance, supported by major founders, I think it's fair to say that the market cap of Docs could be around $1.5 to even $2 billion. In summary, I think the price of Docs could be around 0.004 and mainly traded at 0.002. You don't want to buy Docs immediately after it got listed on Binance, because looking at some of the previous launches, like recent launches of Binance Launchpool, I mean, the token price, they went like this, right? So you would want to wait for the right moment, probably right after it got listed, and you see a huge, maybe 30 to 50% dump. Maybe you should get in and buy a little bit DCA, and then when it dumps a few more percentages, like 15, 20 more percent, you should buy it then. The ideal price for Docs, I think, is around 0.001. Could be 1.5, could be 1.6, who knows, but under 0.002. So that's it for my video about Docs, the 57 Binance Launchpool project. I hope that you liked this video so far. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think about Docs and its price after it got listed on Binance. If you agree or disagree with anything I say, go ahead and comment down below. I appreciate it. Join our free Telegram trading signal group, links in the comments. I'll see you in another video. Thank you very much for watching. Daily out.